Hello there and welcome to the Mobile Academy. And if you want to become a job ready Flutter developer, make sure to check out the courses on my website mobileacademy.io. Here you will find all of the courses related to the Flutter development. You will find the professional course as well as the basic course related to the Flutter. You can also find some of the free courses over here if you want to just go and try it out, or if you are just a beginner on the Flutter and then the React Native, you can also find the free course over here. And if you would like to be a full stack developer, we also have the course related to the full stack developer, related to the Node.js, Express, MongoDB, as well as the Flutter over here. And if you would like to join the Flutter bootcamp, there is also a bootcamp course over here. So make sure to go and check out the course over here. There are free and then the paid course. And if you want to be a job ready Flutter developer, this is the course that you want to take. So see you guys on the next lesson. Till then, have a great day. Now let us go and create our another use case that will be to update our tags. So for that, let's just go and create the new file over here, and we'll just call this one as a update, and that will be of the tags, and then the use case over here dot file. So this is not a correct one, so update task tags, right? And then the use case. So let's just go and create a simple class. By now you should be familiar already. So this will be of the update the tags use case over here, and that should be fine. And let's just go and close it over here. And now you should know that we require the date formatter use case from our use case, and this will be of the date formatter. And final, I also require the tags repository over here. And finally, we have to create the update the use case over here. So update tags use case constructor, and let's just provide that particular required field as a dependency injection. Later we need to provide it through the provider. And now I need to return a future, and this is also going to return us the tags. So tags, and make sure you import it from the correct one, that will be from the model. And once we have that, we need to provide the ID as well as the map of the body. And let's just go and have the try catch block over here. And in the catch, I'm just going to rethrow that from here. And now let's go inside, and we have the final, that will be of the response, which is of equals to await, and await the update over here. And again, we just have to make sure that we need to return the same thing that from here. You can just go and copy and paste it over here. That is to grab that particular tags from the response, and this we need to create a result, or you can just give any name over here, and we just need to map it to our tags model. So now you can see that we need to create a reusable function for this one. Because we are making use it in the multiple places over here. So we are actually breaking the do not repeat yourself, that particular principle, right, or the drive principle over here. So it's better to create for a reusable component. And since this is a small application, it doesn't matter, but if you are building a production app, that is going to matter. So we should have the reusable functionality for this one over here. And now we have something error, so we need to import this one from here. That's perfectly fine. And now what we have to do is we have to create our provider over here. So provider, and this will be of the update tags use case provider. So let's just go and import the Flutter river part over here. Return type will be of the tags update tags use case over here, and it's going to return us that one for us formatter, as well as the next one will be of the tags repository. So let's just go and create both of those from here, date formatter, and also I need to create the tags repository over here, and I need to make this provider as the auto dispose over here. And now I can just pass in the date formatter. So it should be of the date, not the data. That is the spelling error over here. So it should be of the date formatter over here, and this should be also the date formatter. and then we have the repository. So let's just go and pass that particular repository over here, and that should be good. So now we have to make sure that we are using the correct date formatter, not the data formatter. Date formatter, this will be of the date formatter as well as the date format. So that's all for this particular lesson. Now we have the one more left, that is to delete our task record. So make sure to go and create the use case for that one. Try it by yourself. And I guess that's all for this lesson, and we will meet up in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Now let us go and create our another use case, that will be to delete our task. So let's just go and create the new file. That will be of the delete, right? Delete the tags and the use case over here dot file. And once we have that, let's just go and create our simple class over here. So that will be of the delete, and then the delete, not the delete use case, it will be of the delete tags use case over here, and that should be fine. So let's just go and close it over here. And as you know, we require this one just require the task repository over here, and we'll just call this as a task repository, and we require the constructor over here. So let's just go and create the delete task use case constructor, and here we just require the one that is of the task repository. And let's just go and return the future from here, and the type will be of the boolean, so whether it is deleted or not. And we just need to pass in the string id over here, and we'll make use of the try catch over here. And in the try catch, I'll just go and rethrow from the catch over here. And let's just go and say the final, and that will be of the response, sorry, not this response, 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 which is off. I need to go and await and repository dot the delete tags, and this is going to return as the boolean. So we can just return that particular boolean from here, or you can directly return that from here, right? So we can just directly return it from here. And now what we need to do is we need to create a provider for this one as well. So provider, and the provider will be of delete tags use case over here. So the use case over here, and we need to import the Flutter pod over here again, and the return type will be of the delete tags use case over here. And we just need to create the constructor and then the tags repository. So let's just go and create the final and then the tags repository, and this should be of the auto dispose over here. And let's just go and set this one as the tags repository that we need to pass in over here. So we have our the delete tags use case ready. That should be good enough for us. And then the next thing that we can do over here is to extract that this particular mapping over here. We have this particular mapping to the tags in a multiple the use case, so we can create the another use case to extract that one, and I'll give you as a homework to do it, and we will meet up in the next lesson. And for now, our delete use case is ready, so let's meet up in the next one. Till then, have a great day.